here. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Yo.
What's up? I think we at least get a retracement, bro. I mean, ain't no fucking way the Bulls can just do all that. At least they get a retracement. I just looked at the charts. I know.
Oh no.
A bear can dream, though.
I hear you, but
A bear can dream.
All right, we open.
A bear can definitely dream.
Dang. That's what it dropped.
My golden zones from last week are still holding up, yo. It's not surprising, but it's still holding up. I wish I would let my charts and actually played it, but
dang. See. Dang.
Hold on, you in this long, or did you thought about taking it short?
Okay. No, I'm just looking at it. Just looking.
We gotta have a retracement. Come on, Bears. Come on. Like, God damn.
Do we though? They have not proven themselves at all.
No, they haven't, dude.
And this thing bounced off so far. Let's see.
I think we got Powell this week. I think there's some testimony from Powell this week. Let me look at that. Which, we all know what he's going to say, man. At this point, yeah. He testifies tomorrow, so we'll see what happens, man. He testifies at, it begins tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So we could see a red day. We could see it. At least until 9 o'clock tomorrow. Conveniently timed at the same time with the algo. We do got VWAP. Okay, I was about to say, we got VWAP in the 50s sitting right here, and they do seem like they're trying to buy right there. I don't know. Okay. All right.
Look at that. They caught it all the way back up. Oh my gosh. That was a trap. Look at that. Trap.
Yeah, I see that.
Trapped and clapped. They got trapped and clapped. See, this is why I couldn't trust it. Although everything made sense to do it, I'm like, nah, everybody got trapped and clapped. They thought they was about to get something. I thought about buying down here too. I thought y'all was gonna get something.
Crazy, man. Crazy.
Hey, that's why I didn't rush. That's why I didn't rush to take the short.
Man,
you know I would have held reading hold it. Watch it come all the way back on me.
Man, I'm about to take a gamble, man. I'm about to gamble this, man. I'm
You're going short, aren't you?
You damn right I'm a short, goddammit. You damn right. I'm sure I'm gonna try. I need to try.
Hey, yo.
I need to try.
Hey, yo. Be careful, please. Please.
If I can get in at a good spot. Go ahead.
I want to do the same thing, but I don't know. I just don't believe in them.
Yeah.
I just don't believe that they can do it. And I want to do the same thing. I was talking about that earlier, pre-market.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this area makes perfect sense. But can they do it? I don't know. That's the question.
I'm gonna try, but I'm trying now. I'm in at 638. I'm gonna try it. I mean, the bear in me just couldn't. I
So,
couldn't resist. You know, we gotta at least try.
gotta try. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
baby.
Looks like they just wanted to double.
Yeah, baby. Get that first target. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. But I do see that VWAP is right here, so I'm gonna push this right here. Because I know they're gonna do that stupid shit what they're doing right now. Thank you. Thank you.
That's a
You know,
nice little scalp you got. Nice little. Actually, you probably got in prime real estate. Ah, missed it.
nah.
I missed it.
I was like, dude, they got to, man. They gotta pull it back. I mean, the Bears ain't gonna go out like that. They ain't gonna go out like that.
Try. Missed it. Oh no.
Risk-free
You know
trade,
I'm
baby.
salty.
Risk-free trade of $800. Ah!
Nice work. Nice work.
Yeah.
For me, it made sense, but uh, I just couldn't do it.
Gonna do it. Yeah, I mean, dude, I get it,
Couldn't do
man.
it.
I
Bring
get it.
myself.
I mean, so this is a risk reward trade. That's why I try. I mean, we have a double top over here. They swept the liquidity. They had it
Yeah.
looked like they was having a hard time taking this. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try. It's a risk reward trade. I'm just gonna try it. And this time it worked out, man. I mean, that's all this was a risk reward trade. I didn't see anything. It was just a structure. I noticed that they was having a hard time really getting above this level to the left, and it was just a risk reward, man. That's it. Hold on, give me a second,
Yeah.
man. Let me try to eat this oatmeal real fast. Kind of came back late from the gym. Hold on.
All right. Since I missed that, now I gotta figure out where can I get in at. But yeah, this 5 minute chart, there's so much demand. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can see that 580 that Gateway said, I ain't even trying to play with this and hold it. Cause they weak. Getting bought back up. Bounce off the golden fib. Okay, what y'all trying to do? Is that their goal to take it back there and you know, or no? Are they gonna break this? No, no, no. Mm, this is crazy. This is gonna be a sweet. Yeah, that's a freaking sweet down. Y'all can't even see what I mean. But I don't know. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. You know, right now I'm at a point where I can't make a decision. So I think I should stay out of it. Oh, what the piss? What happened? Oh, shoot. I got 3 of these.
Okay, my bad. What's up, GoFundMe? And that's a new one, Rich Rising. Okay, I like that. Huh. So right now, we had that big. Oh, go ahead, my bad. Go ahead.
Nah, you go ahead. I'm just venting.
Oh, you.
I'll try to put this here and then, all right, I'll put a limit here. I'll short the 23%. But
Where's,
I probably missed my opportunity.
hold on, let me look at your chart real quick. Where's the 23% on your chart? Oh no, which angles are you using on today? Because I guess this would technically be the pre.
I used, it was the original before we broke these made new highs.
So you just use pre-market highs and lows. I mean, let's look at that real quick, man. Let me look at that.
Actually, I'm gonna take it back up here. I don't trust them. I want the best entry possible.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't make a decision right now. That's dangerous.
Yeah.
I think it's best.
I think that's the pump for 8:30. So, I mean, oh crap, it bounced at today's golden zone. It bounced exactly there. Oh shit. They bounced exactly at this golden fib. At today's golden fib.
You see?
Huh. You said GP bounce? What's up, NYA? They bounced right here at the golden zone, man. At today's golden zone. So I'm starting to see. So I guess what I might start doing is because, yeah, it bounced at today's golden zone, but it bounced at last week's golden zone initially in pre-market. No, excuse me, sorry. And they bounced at today's golden zone right here. 23% right here. So I guess what I'll start doing is probably have like the I don't know. Probably have the golden zone set out for like have it set out on Friday and then have the one on Friday the entire week and then just update, have a chart that has the updated ones every day. Let me see how that's going to work out. See if we can get away with that with the Nasdaq because yeah. And it's interesting that you said something about not making a decision. I'm going to send you a book that I listened to this weekend, and I think this is the best book. I think this is the best book for traders that I've listened to so far. And I'm going to share that towards, once we start to slow down, I'm going to share that with you guys because it's the best freaking book, man. The best one.
Yeah, I think I'm psyching myself out because I could have caught that scalp.
Well, I mean, you can play this either one or two ways, man. If they do take it down at the 23%, we can try to play that golden zone. You can try to play it because, they bounced it here, but this might be, they might try to sell it here at the 23%, though. They might try to sell it. I'm going to put this right here.
Yeah, I think I'm just psyching myself out. He said, "Go ahead with size, no game." Stop trying to have me blow my account.
Hold on. Are you trading the other account? Are you trading it?
I'm trading my take profit account right now.
Your boy added to the position, baby. We added to the position, baby. I'm just gonna put that right here. I'm not gonna, because I really, like I said, I don't really trust the Bears like that for real. They suck.
They suck. They do.
They completely suck. I mean, they had a good head start this morning, and it looks like the Bulls are coming right back. Suck. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my no, I'm gonna leave it right here. That's like a 10 point. I'm only risking 10 points. So we'll see. All right, so I mean, I do see on Bookmap that they are trying to sell it, but the CVD is mad positive right now. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Guess we're just gonna be in this stressful short
You
until this.
are correct. It's stressful short. It's always stressful when you're short.
Yeah. Yeah. It gets to the point to where it's like, well, you might as well just wait until the Bears exhaust themselves and the Bulls take back over. But then as a Bear, you're like, dude, when the short works, you beat yourself up because you're like, I could have been a part of that. I could have been a part of that. But boy, is it stressful when you in it, man. It's just stressful. Let's look at the ES real quick. Ooh, this looks like a good risk reward trade on the ES right here. That looks like a great risk reward trade on the ES, and I'm gonna take it. Okay. I'm gonna reduce my risk because, like I said, I ain't trusting this.
Wow.
What?
Wow. Wow. See, they're being greedy. Being super greedy today.
All right, we're setting new chart. I mean, yeah, they're selling at the 23%. So, but they might bounce it here. I mean, like if we do get a move down, I mean, they might bounce it at the like the if they don't bounce it at the golden fib, they most likely coming back in around 90 for real. Because if everybody is sitting here at this golden fib zone, I'm pretty sure they're gonna run these stops. And you know what? I'm not, like I said, I ain't playing that game, man, with NQ today. She ain't about to hurt my feelings and have me crying.
Oh shoot.
Ah, come on. Ah.
She will leave you speechless. Right.
I thought you loved me. I gave you all my money. Oh, that's funny. Because literally we do. We give our money to the Nasdaq. That's why she's so sassy the way she is. She can get away with
It
anything.
requires a sacrifice.
Yeah, she does. Yes, she does. Mm. Come on, Bulls. I just like, come on, man. Man, let us bears just a little bit. Let us eat a little bit. Let me check on this trade. Okay, so I'm in this ES trade. Like I said, I'm not going to risk that much. 35, probably like 5 points on this. 6, probably. It's just a risk reward trade, man. I see a double top. Uh, okay, so 35, 25. I got stopped out of that trade, that Nasdaq trade. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Damn. Hold on. What?
I think I'm overthinking. Look at that rip.
All right, but the Nasdaq is ripping. Let me take this on off.
Yo,
35, 30.
what the freak?
And the Nasdaq is
Yo.
ripping, and it's going to rip too.
See, this is why.
What I got some? All right, so what was I using this chart for? Man, that's not fair. Man, that's not fair, man. It's not fair. Man. So 60. Okay, so I'm about to add to this, yo. I'm about to add to this. I got 15 on. I mean, if they break down right here, and that's a great risk reward trade right here. Great risk to reward. And these risk reward trades are definitely going to be crucial because we don't got no price action to the left. So, I mean, both of these instruments are continuously making all-time highs. So you're just going to have to kind of, I mean, if you see something, take it. There's no price action to the left to use as reference. Back to the back. I like that. Yeah, good. I'm gonna get back to the back. Whatever. I'm probably gonna put this at 41, 40, 50. I think that's good right there. That's like 5 points of risk right there. That's 5 points. Uh, we'll see. Ah, man, NQ, that's not even fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair. All right. All right, we got the 9 o'clock algo coming out in 5 minutes. Notoriously, it's been bullish, but I guess I wouldn't be surprised if it's bullish this damn high up. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, man. Hmm. Hmm. Damn, it seems like elite traders trying to respond to MFF. They're saying that you got a 6 evals for the price of 3. That's crazy. 6 evals for the price of 3. We ain't got no freaking news today at all. That does look like a short, a scalp. No, this is a good area right here because
Yeah, if we don't get a flush, I think I'm gonna take break even.
you short or you long right now?
I'm short.
No, I think the shorts are good, man. I think we're good. I'm short on the ES. I missed a short on the Nasdaq,
Oh,
but I caught the short on the ES. I think we're good. It's just because it's grinding. It's grinding down, and that's usually a good sign. It's usually a good sign. It's just going to be stressful, man. Because you know all the momentum is really to the bullish side, so it's going to be stressful for her. And then the price action is
dang,
mad
I
slow right
forgot
now.
about.
The algo, yeah,
I forgot
it's
about
coming up in like in 40
Algo.
seconds. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. She gave me chances. She always does. Get out.
Yeah, well, Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay. That gives me a little bit of hope.
Yeah. I mean, we didn't get that bullish reaction. At least not yet. At least not yet. Let's look at
Right.
the volume. I mean, today we're trading with relatively good volume today. This is really good. It's crazy that it's shopping the way that it is, but that is good volume. We up 2 points, baby, in this short, baby. Let's go. We up 2 points, baby.
2 points. That's crazy.
We up 2 points, baby.
All right. The rest of this is just getting.
Man, I wish I was shorting the Nasdaq, man. God damn, I wish I was shorting the Nasdaq. God damn. Damn.
That worked out, but that was scary. That was stressful. It worked out for me. I'll short Nasdaq, but it's very, very stressful.
Yeah.
Probably not worth the
Nah.
Oh, baby. No, dang it. Oh, I wanted to take it off and let it ride. Yeah, that was stressful. That was painful.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still sitting through mine. The ES, I know she's gonna take her time to get to where she needs to get to. She's gonna take her time. That's why I'm kind of upset that I got stopped out of that short at the Nasdaq. Because I mean, honestly, this is clean price action for real. Actually, let's look at that because technically it's still bouncing at this golden fib right here, man. And that's what got me concerned about my ES short.
You know, because there's hella demand here at on the 5 minute. If anybody, yeah, dang, this is crazy. And like you said, bouncing off the golden fib.
Yeah.
Ooh, I do not advise that, y'all. Whoever was able, who said? I didn't even see midnight price. Yo, is that not on my TradingView chart anymore? Oh, I think I had to turn it off. No, I gotta put that back on because
Why?
that's because midnight price be like it's like key, like price likes to make its way back down to or back to that price. I noticed.
Mm-hmm.
Took it off my because I don't have enough indicator space on my TradingView. I think I used it all up. You know, you could only have so many.
Yes, man.
Yeah, that worked out, but that was tough to sit through.
Yeah. Well, good thing that you're not on ES. I guess since I got a taste of the Nasdaq, the ES is just like super slow to me right now. Like, dude, like what the hell, man? I still have 2 points though, baby. But it's still like it did bounce a little bit.
Good thing you're not on ES. Yeah, ES likes to take its sweet time.
Mm-hmm. Kind of like on Friday when
I need to reevaluate this.
Yeah, like when on Friday when ES had that delayed pump. That shit was so delayed. The Nasdaq was already making moves, and ES was taking its time. And I guess you're gonna get a replay of that.
This is so frustrating today. Come on, Monday. Why you gotta be like this?
Shit.
Take a direction.
Yeah.
Take a direction. Like, I'm surprised the Bulls came back in here around these levels. I thought they would be wanting to at least go to like around the 580s, 588, 590.
580.
And then come in. I would think.
I mean, well,
that's where they saw like.
I mean, if they come back to 580, they already bounced it here. They bounced it at 580 already.
They bounced it at 596. I'm talking about NQ.
No, yeah.
Oh, are you talking about the past pre-market?
Yeah, pre-market.
1 o'clock.
Yeah, I mean, they touched it. Technically, they touched it already.
That pre-market don't count. I'm
Yeah, it
talking
does.
about this session. Oh, it counts, but I'm talking about this session, New York
It,
session. I don't care. I mean, I care about pre-market because that gives you clues. But I would thought they would at least try to double bottom down here in the 580s and then bounce it.
I think if
You know
they
what I'm
come
trying
back
to
to
say?
580, yeah, I get what you're trying to say, but yo, 580 is getting ran. I mean, if y'all don't have to
Like the
believe me, y'all can
interest.
long it if y'all want, but the Sherman's already said it. They double bottom. They've actually triple bottom on this area already. They're going to run this if price gets down here. They're going to run it. But hey, if y'all don't
I
believe
just
the
think the
Sherm,
interest,
hey, I'm just
the
saying.
bull interest, be down there. I mean, I could see. I mean, no doubt, I could see him running it, but there is that the Bears are weak in this game, and they're weak in the streets right now. So
Yeah, they are weak,
I
yo.
don't fully, I don't fully believe in them to do anything. Like this was crazy because this was still technically in an uptrend on this boom, and then it changed character. Because even this right here, still uptrend. I'm glad it rejected here. It changed character on this downward candle at 9 o'clock. that nine algo,
hmm Well,
but couldn't even use that to their take it lower. That's what I'm saying.
yeah. I mean, the Bears are super weak, man. Like, I'm still in this short. I might close it, man. Like, god damn, yo, ES, now. Hey, your boy trying to eat too. Like, I was trying to eat too. But uh actually I'm just gonna protect this. I mean, these Bears are super weak. I'm gonna give the ES all the I'm just gonna give it every chance in the world to short right here. If I get stopped out, it'll be a break even plus a tick trade. But I'm not going to let it come back against me on this trade. So I'm gonna protect myself on this one. Freaking ES. Because
All
Nasdaq
right,
going crazy
let me
right now.
close. Super crazy. JC said 598 is that magnet. Yo. All right. 50-50. The people have spoken. I asked, will NQ get to 27.25 today?
57.25.
It's 50. No. 20,725.
Nah, that shit ain't getting
725.
edited. Nah, we chopping them. We chopping. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
oh
so
yeah, oh
this.
yeah, oh yeah. I forgot that. If y'all guys don't know with MFF, you can't trade. You can't trade Powell. You can't trade CPI. You can't trade um CPI. All T1 news, you can't trade it. I just forgot about that. So
For
tomorrow,
how
when
long?
actually I don't know, like a 1 minute. They probably have like a 1 minute rule or some shit like that. But all T1 trade or T1 news events, you can't trade.
Yeah, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Okay. It comes. Let me do a little bit of. Can you let me hedge? Okay. A little bit of hedging right now. Because let's take it back to the charts. See what the piss is telling me right now.
I mean,
Because
they might double bottom in there. They might just take this. They might just bounce it here, or they might take it. Either way, this is gonna be a risk-free trade. It's gonna suck if this trade comes back against me, or if I get taken out of this trade. But which honestly, but I don't trust the Bears. They're just super weak out here. So let's see what they're gonna do here at 640, because it looks like they made a strong high at 654 on the Nasdaq, and that's gonna be the objective that the Bears are gonna have to overcome if they want it, or not the Bears, the Bulls are gonna have to overcome if they want to take this higher. So this is definitely going to be the objective for the Bulls. First, they got to really get over this high for real. And it does look like the ES, the Nasdaq, is about to short here at this neckline. But we'll see, man. We'll see.
Alpha said 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. That ain't bad.
Yeah.
Like after it's released, right? A total of 4 minutes. You gotta sit and wait. That ain't bad. I think that's the same with trade day.
Yeah.
2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. You still catch some action.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I think that's a good rule, man. It's a good rule. Because, I mean, just let the market play out, let it sweep the liquidity on both sides, and then you can trade the reaction to whichever direction it wants to really go into. I mean, it's a good rule, man. It sucks for gamblers, but it protects people that really want to really stay in their accounts for as long as possible. It protects you against yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't care on the evals. They like blow it up.
Man, this looks like a good trade right here. Huh.
What you seeing?
Them having a hard time getting over this high. But that's the
Yeah.
you know what? Fine, whatever, man. I ain't take it. I ain't take it.
That down here.
I ain't take it, man. I'm telling y'all, if they touch 580, we might get a bounce to 600, but they're gonna take these lows out. Ain't no way that this 580 level holds again. There's no way. Well, it's highly unlikely for it to hold for real. Because they've been using this level all day. You said what?
That's why these shorts scary, because they keep getting bought up.
Yeah.
That's why it's so stressful. Keep buying them up. And the Bulls have shown how regarded they can really be. Time and time and time again.
Man, these Nasdaq bulls, man. Yeah, I should have took that golden fill. I hate that, man. Yo, they came at the 23% right here and said, nah, we don't believe in the 23%. We don't care what the 23% represents. Well, I wonder if they're going to double bottom it or double top it here at 655. I mean, if they can get it past 655, we can definitely see that 680, because that's the next golden fib zone anyways, at 680 level. But they may stop it at 665. So they would definitely needed to get it above 665 if you want to see that 680 level. And then they're at this neckline right here on the Nasdaq. So just be mindful of that. They're right here at this neckline.
Let's see if they can get to 23%. That's baby games, though.
Yeah. What are you thinking right now? You just sitting watching, or are you trying to look for something to get into right now?
I'm in a short, but I just do like a little scout. I don't want to hold for anything, any super flushes. I don't believe in them. Not a fan, not a fan, not a fan.
Yeah.
Not a fan of the Bears anymore.
All right, man. I think we'll see. We'll see with this ES trade. I think they're gonna probably try to stop me out on this one. Freaking ES. I should have took that short on Nasdaq. I would have already been out of it. Got paid because it does look like we, at least on the ES. I mean, we got this stair stepping, so obviously they're trying to buy this. It would be nice if they just drop it
I
like
know, right?
like they're doing on the Nasdaq right now.
Dropping give me 50,000.
Oh yeah, did you see that?
50K.
You see that? I think Drake was spotted at a little party, and you can see that man. He hasn't gotten a lot of sleep lately. His eyes are sunken. He can tell blah, blah, blah. You can tell that he's lost a lot of weight. Yeah, Kendrick got him. He's hurting. He's hurting.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Drop.
The insecure behavior has finally caught up with
Yeah.
him. Because now Drake is in that situation where it's like, damn, if he can't be Drake, the only person he can be is Aubrey. He don't like Aubrey. He don't like that guy. That's why.
Once again. Let me see how far. Okay. Ah, shoot.
Oh, actually, I never looked at. Oh, yeah, the hourly is bullish. Okay, never mind. Hourly is like super bullish. It's getting kind of bearish on the ES. It's somewhat bearish on the ES, but it's still somewhat bullish on the Nasdaq. And I mean, it's not a surprise, but
Actually, yeah, I could see a little bit more upside.
or at least a double top.
More.
I mean, they're defending this this left shoulder so far. They're defending it so far, but they did knock it down. But the Bulls, you can see this big giant wick on the Nasdaq, but on the ES, you can see that okay, now the bears are starting to really come in on the ES. I think they've made their strong high at 37 on the ES so far. So, I guess we're gonna have to see with this one. But the Bulls might come back in on at 625 on the ES though. We may see that. Where's your stop at?
I'll probably stop out at the 650. But
I want to take this short, man. I want to take it short. I want to take it short. That looks like a good short, man. That looks like a great short. With a stop a couple of points above the high right here. That's a good short. Good risk reward.
I'm just on these shorts. I'm just freaking scalps. That's all you can really get.
Yeah.
The opportunity is long. Even though that's frustrating.
Yeah.
Look at this. What are you doing? Just
They're trying to shake out the weekends. That's it. They're trying to shake them out. Because we got to think about what's happening tomorrow. We have no news today. There is nothing to really excite the big lot bears. I mean, the degenerate gamblers. I mean, They still high off all that money. Look at that. Look at that. I missed. Oh, no. No. I was going to take that short. No, that's not fair. Ah, that's not fair. But anyway, dude, we have no news today. We have nothing that's going to excite the bulls to really buy this up. We have nothing. And then we got Powell testifying tomorrow. The institutional traders and the big lot traders are not going to gamble with Powell. I mean, we all know what is likely for him to say, but we all know that they're not going to, at least the institutions aren't allowed to trade when there's volatile news. So if we know that at least, we know that we're playing with the algos and retail, and they're not going to push it past highs for real. We might get bounces back and forth, but they're not going to make no big moves. And they still bouncing it off of this golden fib right here. So this is obvious that the algos are playing this. Like they're defending this golden zone at 600. Oh shit! I didn't know I was that high up with my ES trade. All right, let me take some of this. Oh, actually, I took some profits already, baby. All right, so my ES trade finally played out, but I think I'm gonna be done for the day because I just hit my goal for the day. What I'm gonna do is knock this shit down. So that was a good trade on the ES. Let's see if we can get it down here. We can possibly get it down here. We can possibly see this. But they might bounce it here they might bounce it here. They might bounce it. Yeah, that'll be absolutely crazy if we see that. So I'm pretty sure this can be like a good target right there at 617 would be a good target. Why not? Last week's close, they might try to go for it. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Yeah. This is wild.
Man, I should have took it, man. They dropping this. I mean, like I said, they'll probably bounce it. Like, so let's just say this. So if price does get to this 580, 570 level, I'm thinking the most we get is the 600 level right here. And then they're going to probably use this 600 level as resistance because it's been support 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I mean, this area has been support this entire session. And if we do get a breakdown below this, obviously we know what's underneath these lows. We got 4 layers of stops right here underneath this low. And so the market runs this. They're going to tap into all those stops. And like I said, if we touch this level, I'm thinking we're going to 560. I'm thinking we're running 580 maybe the first time. But if the price does bounce, I'm thinking we get like 600, possibly right here to like 605 or whatever that is. And then we can see that move down like that. Because I just find it hard to believe the Bulls take control today. I find it hard to believe that, especially with Powell tomorrow. I don't think we completely reverse and sell off, but I don't believe that we go higher. I'm thinking that market participants are going to want cheaper prices for pumping Powell tomorrow versus buying the highs.
Damn, that was again right there. I thought they were gonna break it that time finally.
You still in the short?
Yeah.
I mean, dude, I think you're good, bro. Because I mean, we took the liquidity like right here. You can see it, man. I mean, we took the liquidity underneath this low. Oh, where's it at? Yeah, we took the liquidity underneath this right here. So the market took that. You can see that they're coming back up. So I mean, when you're in a situation like this where you have this break of structure going down, I mean, if you can draw out that neckline right here, and the most I'll probably get is 628, maybe 628, because there's another neckline at 628, 629-ish. But as long as they don't take out that high at 640, you should be good. As long as they don't take that out. You're just gonna have to wait for it, I guess, until the bulls exhaust themselves on the NQ. On the ES, it looks like the bulls are trying to come back, but I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. I'm just wanting y'all to do one thing. Y'all can't even get that right. Bears, get it right. One thing. Okay.
All right, hey. Just look at the hourly chart on the Nasdaq. I think you're good, bro. Just look at the hourly chart. I think you're just gonna have to wait this one out. You're just gonna have to wait. They're selling it now.
That's hourly chart.
Yeah, look at the hourly chart. That's over. I mean, shit. Overall, I mean, right now, yeah, they got it. But look at what they're doing on the hourly chart. And they're rejecting it on the 23%. I mean, they're kind of rejecting it on the 23%. So this one is just gonna be stressful, man, if you want to stay in it, honestly. Hold on, where are you in at?
I'm down at 618.
Oh, no wonder. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. My bad. I thought you was in at like 640, around there.
Well, I was in like the 30s, but I saw the flush.
And then you scaled there.
Let me scale in. They hold it again. I don't know why I was thinking it's gonna flush it that time. They hold it, and then it's like, maybe, I see it wrong then, because I thought their interest would be a little bit further down in the 580s.
I'm gonna make sure I'm doing it right, but obviously I'm doing it right, because actually, let me see. Let me see if I'm doing this right. Let me see if I'm doing this right. I mean, obviously, the fibs are telling me I'm doing it right, but I just want to make sure. All right, so I was doing it right. Okay, that's all I need to know. That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know. So I was doing it right. Because if you played these golden fibs, your ass would have been crying. Okay. Hey, so how are you? Well, I'm pretty sure you're doing it right. But I watched this video about the fibs level to try to completely understand like what's going on with it and why it works the way that it does. And one of the points that it made was that drawing the retracements right, like in an uptrend, you're supposed to draw it from the bottom to the top and in a downtrend, you're supposed to draw from the top to the bottom. And doing it, make that small simple mistake will have you buying and selling at the wrong fib level. But obviously, I got it right because it's bouncing cleanly at this golden fib zone. But it's not respecting that 23% for real. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It respected it here. I mean, shit, you can.
On the freaking.
You said what?
There's still positive delta sitting on the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Like, to me, the hourly is still in an uptrend. They're trying. Oh gosh, never mind. It's just kidding. They're just eating it up.
Yeah, it's definitely
trying.
No, it's definitely the bulls. I mean, you can see that the wicks are the bulls are buying this. That's completely obvious. When I look at the hourly chart, what I'm looking for is in comparison to the previous candle. Overall, I mean, obviously in the Nasdaq, you can't get caught up in its short-term moves with the Nasdaq because it moves so rapidly back and forth. If you get caught up in that, you don't know what direction to really trade in. But the hourly chart, the way I use it is how this candle right here. Yeah, you see all the buying, but look at where relative to the last candle and the previous candles, look at where they're selling it at. It's having a hard time getting above this level. And from this level, you can see that they're selling it. And so on the Nasdaq, that's what I look at on the hourly chart, that, okay, they're not getting above this. Even though they're buying it, they're still having a hard time getting it above this high. So you can see that they're selling it. And now they broke that body of the candle, the previous candle, and the candle before it. So the bears are in control, in my opinion, but the momentum is still bullish. That's why when I look at the hourly chart, that's what I look for on the Nasdaq. On the ES, it's easier. You can tell that the bears are in control because look at the candle. It's easy to tell it on the ES, but on the Nasdaq, you just got to look at the overall picture.
Oh, well, I need ES to pull Nasdaq down with it. like, let's go. Somebody press the button.
Nah, they only do that shit in the pre-market. They only do that in the.
Sell. Those machines back home.
Shit, I'm still in this ES short though. It's crazy. I mean, I did take a lot of my profits off. I only got 4 runner contracts right now. Where's my 4th one at? All the way down here.
My bad, Alfred. It's the pro.
You know, Smith trades his funded account.
My bad, bro. That's why I've been watching my my drawdown, my trailing drawdown, because it's it's live trailing.
Oh, you're trading
of that.
Oh, you're trading I thought you were trading your MFF account. You're trading your trade day or not your take profit account?
Take profit, yeah.
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 Oh, okay, so okay, now I can understand. Okay, now I understand why. Okay, I get it. All right. Okay, and you can see, yeah.
Yeah. I've been monitoring it. Been watching. Keep an eye on it. Okay, what can I work with? All right. I'm still okay, but
shit. Honestly, MFF is going to probably kill take profit. MFF is going to probably kill take profit. Take profit got to take away that trailing drawdown if they want to stay competitive, because their 50Ks are cheaper. Like honestly, MFF is kind of killing everybody right now. It's kind of having them think about, okay, well, yo, we're going to see them sales dry up on our 50K accounts. And we all know that the 50K account is the bread and butter of these prop firms. They're going to have to do something about that. That trailing drawdown, they might have to get rid of that.
Same day payout.
But I mean,
Alfred brought it up. Same day payout.
come on though, come on though. That trailing drawdown, like I mean, people get it, yeah. I mean, you know, I'm not saying that it's not possible, but I don't know. The weekly payouts makes it seem more okay. You're not okay. I don't have to rush and get it today. I can get it at the end of the week versus let me try to get it now. Let me try to get it now. Let me try to get it
Yeah,
now.
you right. You right. That's a valid point because I was trying to low key
Get it now.
break the buffer zone so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Low key. Oh, what happened? Did my mouse just die? No way. No way. Yo, you serious? You swear? Okay.
Mm. And there goes that flush, baby. There goes the flush, baby. There it goes. See, you gotta trust the hourly chart, man. You gotta trust it, man. You gotta trust the hourly chart. You gotta trust it. You said what?
I don't trust. As a former bear, as a former short, I don't trust nothing they do. I don't. I can't. How could you?
Yeah.
How could you trust them? Okay, baby. First TT hit. Let's go, Bears.
Team Bears. Yo, I mean, honestly, I should close this out. I mean, I made about $1,000 today.
Wow.
I lost, so I made 1,000, lost 4, and I just got it back. Plus So I'm gonna let this play. See, you gotta trust the charts, baby. You gotta trust your boy Sherm, and you gotta trust the charts. You gotta trust it, baby. You gotta trust it.
Ooh.
All right, so let's see,
All
man.
right, let's take that off.
All right, so we're getting close to that 580.
Yeah, we go.
Actually, they might bounce it right here. They might bounce it here. I just saw that. They might bounce it here.
Don't do it though. Don't. I know you want to, but don't do it, Bulls. Not yet. Keep going.
Yo, if they bounce it here, that 580 level ain't holding for sure. It's not holding for sure if they bounce it here. Because they just took out, I mean, they've been bouncing it on last week's close. You said what?
Nah, I'm trying to talk myself through this, managing this. I'm still in one as the runner, but I also, come on. Oh, keep dropping. Remember the dude blowing on the screen? Go down. It's gonna tap out and then drop. I've seen this play out so many times. I've seen this movie before in Q. And
yeah. Okay, so let's see what they do at 612.
Right,
let's see.
612, yeah, that's a good spot. They bounced it around there last time.
And you can see that neckline is sitting right here.
See how stressful?
Just for the Bulls to come right back in.
Let me check out the push chart. Where we at? We are below that trend line. I just don't trust them to make a significant move, though.
Yeah.
I think if we get to the pre-market low, if we even get down here, I don't think the Bulls will come back and take over.
I think the Bears got it, bro.
They come back, they take.
I think this is a bounce. Look at the hourly chart, man.
Well, you could be right. Yeah, because you could be right because of the events. They like to set up for. You said we got Powell speaking tomorrow.
Yeah, nah. You know he only pumps it. You know he only pumps it.
You got to take that into consideration. Yeah. I don't think I would have did well on this 50K today, MFF. So I don't think should I even trade in it? But too much back and forth. I would this 5-minute chart, these wicks.
I would wait, man. I would wait because right now you're in you're in obvious stressful state right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I would wait on that. Bro.
You can see it, you can hear it.
Yeah.
Right. Hey, you're right. I am in a state of that was stressful.
Yeah.
That was stressful short. It shouldn't be that way.
Yeah, it shouldn't have, but
I mean,
yeah, I mean
because
these
look,
bulls are
bam,
relentless. These late
bam.
bulls are gonna be, they're gonna be completely regarded, man. Completely regarded.
Yeah. What though? I'm not leaving. Okay. Uh, but seeing, okay. I do feel like looking at it now that we possibly, if we need a strong close down, though, we've entered into a downward trend. If it can actually pick it up, but these bulls, like you said, they've just been relentless.
Yeah. See,
Yeah, I
look
think
at them buying it
these
up right now.
alpha makers and these algos just playing with us
Yeah.
today because this is how could you not get chopped up in that? You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
I mean, I guess if you don't have enough conviction, like how the state I'm in right now, I got no conviction in any of my no conviction. I
Yeah.
still made out with 3K. I got no conviction though. Like Alfred said, I diamond headed that thing. And I didn't take any losses? Wow. Oh, that's surprising. That's crazy. I guess that's all that matters. I'm gonna just take this dub
I
and
would.
call it in this account.
I would, man.
I might go in the sim. I'm gonna go in the sim. I'm gonna go in the sim so there's no strings attached. I can do whatever. I'm not touching the 50K because that one can get easily blown. And I'm not good at trading micros as far as like size and micros and everything. So I'm gonna just
I mean, with the 50Ks, with the
yeah,
Nasdaq, honestly,
I'll take the victory.
uh, with the Nasdaq 18, no, 15 to 18 contracts is all you need. And to catch a 50-point move, that's like 11 to $1,200. Yeah, it's not what we're used to. And that was like a big thing for me to get over at first. It was like, man, I'm used to making like 4 or 5K in a trade, like that's baby money. But over time, when I take a loss, my losses are like $600 to $700 versus 2 grand. So I mean that is the trade-off. The losses are a little bit smaller versus, and then but you don't get as much
Yeah,
gains. You'll just stay in the game a little bit longer. Yeah, last Friday when I sent you that message, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Man, I made $3,700 in
yeah,
micros. Do you know what you have to do to make $3,700 in
yeah,
micros?
yeah.
Yo,
That's
last week, oh,
wow.
I was
That's
going
crazy.
crazy. You
Yeah,
saw
that's
what?
37,000
Y-
equivalent.
Yeah, I
That's
made
37K on the
3,700.
minis.
Yeah, dude, $3,700 in micros, man. Man, I was playing, this is the ES. That same level it kept bouncing off of. What level it kept bouncing off of last week? It kept bouncing off of one level, and I just kept adding into it, adding into
Yeah,
it, adding it. I think it was this. I think it was at 580. Yeah, it was this 580 level. Yo, it kept bouncing at this 580 level. I just added into it. It came back to this neckline. I added in for a double top, and then I was like, dude, let me just close the charts. And then it bounced right here at this level. And dude, I was about to go full port right here. I had to really stop myself, close the charts, and walk away and watch it all flip. I mean, I was like, dude, this is exactly what I
crazy.
did the previous Friday. It's like she's
Ain't
such a
that
drug.
crazy?
She's a drug, yo. She is a fucking drug. I literally had to walk away and close the charts and walk away.
Yeah,
Leave the house. I was like, dude, I'm high as fuck right now. All right, so yeah. So we did get almost a rejection at that little neckline level, like I assumed it would. Like I said, man, even if we get a bounce here at 580, I think we break 580, man. We're breaking this. We do see people coming in at that 580 level. I do see it on Bookmap, so okay. All right, so Yeah, I'm just gonna let this ES trade ride. I mean, I've already made, honestly, all my money today in this account. I made the money today. I just gotta be consistent with it tomorrow as well. Because I took that Nasdaq long or short. I should have been done right there, but I was like, nah, I wanted more. As always with the Nasdaq. Took this ES short, and this is gonna be my last trade. I don't think we get the. I don't think we get all the way down here today. Like that would be
Is
absolute craziness. Go ahead.
does MFF have live trailing?
No,
No, it's end of day, right?
it's in
End
the
of day
day.
trailing drawdown.
That's why it's killing everybody right now, man. Actually, this is not something else I found out about MFF. Yo, I don't know if this is a glitch, but in your eval, or at least in my eval, I think once you reach that threshold in your eval, as long as you don't hit your minimum balance, you're good. And the reason why I say that is because in one of my accounts, I thought I blew that shit because I was down 5K, but I didn't get my account didn't blow. And then when I looked at my threshold, it said as long as I didn't touch what is it 100 and no, it's 149K or something like that. It was somewhere around that number. Cause I was up 7K and then I started gambling because I wanted actually here's what's crazy. I was like $800 away from passing the account. So I over leveraged, of course, but I over leveraged at the top. And once price dropped, you know that I was only $800 away from passing, so I was not going to close the account. I scaled in heavy, lost 5K, and I didn't blow the account. And then when I looked at my dashboard, I was at like what 51 or 52 after being up 57, and I didn't blow the account. I didn't get the email, I didn't do nothing. And so I was like, huh. I wonder if they do that on both sides. That's interesting. I mean, obviously they have to because I lost the 4,500 plus 5, so it has to. So I don't know if that's a glitch or what, but I've seen it personally done. So I think you can like once you reach that threshold, you're good. At least that's in my case it was. So I'm just gonna play it like that. But I was kind of upset that I was only $800 away from passing and I over leveraged and eventually I blew that account obviously from gambling, but. Mm. Huh. That's interesting. This does look like it's about to launch up. It does look like it just found support on the ES. It does look that way. I think we just found support on the ES. I only got 2 micro contracts. I'm gonna leave this here. I've already made majority of the money in this move. So I'm gonna see what happens, but I think the ES just found support. And I think the NASDAQ has just found support as well. The way it's looking, it just found support. We got this strong low, and we got, man, you know what, man? I mean, let me get out this account, man. Try it. I'm gonna try it. Risk reward on this is too good. I'm gonna try it.
You
Are you?
think it launches?
I think it. I think we about to. I
I don't
think
know.
we're going, dude. I think we're about to go.
I think it rejects though, and follows this downward trend.
We'll see. What the hell?
Rejects. Obviously, it could launch, no doubt about that. 'Cause these bulls just
Being completely
they just
regarded.
want it more.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if we, All right, let's put that there. Let's see. Thank you, rejects. Oh, let's see what Bookmap thinks.
The Bears are definitely selling this thing though. Are they trying? I mean,
They're
if they take
trying.
out this
They
low,
want to A for effort.
you said what?
You think they crush it if they? Okay, like I see it now. I mean, it took a while to play out, but I feel like just looking at this overall, yeah, boom, 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 boom. It just stops here. Then another leg down, then up. Yeah, I feel like this is a downtrend now. If it rejects here, keeps going. Maybe we touch the low or a little bit, extend a little bit past, then bounce back
Mm-hmm.
and continue. Try to draw a tool to just, but let's see. Rejected the 50% basically so far, but this golden zone is
Actually, I haven't looked
bye.
at today's golden zone.
598. 598. Bye, bye, bye. And then the 50K starter on MFF, you only get 3 cons, right?
Yeah, 3 mini contracts. Yep. 30 micros. That's why you got to switch to the micros on that one.
Yeah, more room for error, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, with the 50Ks, you really don't necessarily need to over leverage for real. Because I mean, like I said, you can make $700 in a day, and that's really good for the 50K, but that ain't really nothing on 150 and 100Ks for real. I mean, that ain't nothing. But on a 50K making $700 to $800 a day, that's really fucking good, man. That's all you need for real. I mean, if you ain't gonna be greedy, $600 is that perfect number, but I'm gonna need that 700 though.
I'm gonna need that.
I'm gonna need that.
That's tough. They really want a short.
Nah, I think they found support, bro. They made that support pattern, so I think they about to try to launch it.
Oh, Mahi Mahi. I stopped trading Apex. I switched to take profit and my funded futures. Cause I mean you see me DCA all the time. That's like my bread and butter. Whether it's whether I do it stupidly or smart, I do it all the time. So I'm just like, and I was doing it, like into the winning positions that they wanted, but Apex is just having way too many. I took them off my stuff. I'm not promoting them anymore. It's just too many issues,
Yeah.
and I don't want to see people get burned in the end. A lot of people thinking they got liquidity issues. That's why they going so hard on enforcing these rules. That's always been there, but now all of a sudden you want to be extra stringent on it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean that's universal. When the money start to dry up, you always look for a way to cut costs. I mean, that's universal
Yeah.
right here. That's universal behavior.
Yeah, so I took them off my If I'd put them on a, I'd give them a warning rating. Just be
Mindful.
like, yeah, people getting paid out and stuff, but just be aware of what could, yeah, be mindful of what could happen.
Mm-hmm.
So, probably hosting these cocaine parties.
Like the other guys.
And then y'all pay out money.
Cocaine parties.
Yeah. I'm the trader.
Mm-hmm. And honestly, man, I really thought, I guess I expected more. I guess I expected more from them, I guess, even though I'm not a Forex trader.
Yeah.
Because you got to think about it. He would have interviews and stuff with these people. He really put himself out there. So it's like, dude, you can't, like, dude, if you're going to scam somebody, you got balls to do that if you're going to put yourself in front of the public like that. But I guess he had balls to do it. Guess he had the balls to do it.
Yeah, so all right, Bears, you gonna come in with some oomph this time, or are you gonna give it up? That girl wanna give it up. See, now I see it. I see. That's why I was saying, like, okay, I think they reject here, but we still not out the woods yet. Like, I think we need to flush the low. To be honest, you need to flush this, and then bulls will probably come back in.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. A good flush down, and the bulls probably come right back up. Maybe they reject again. Take another leg down. That's what I want to see play out. Something similar to that. They just bounced it right at 591 open. So what are we at so far? Huh. So what is this going off of? What are we open at? Yeah, 591.50. So we're down 23 points, 24. But look how much they're struggling to get this down further. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you're gonna take it down with authority. Like, you don't even got bulls that's really trying to. They got bulls' area of interest. I think is lower, but they just.
Like I said, man.
Like, come on, Bears, say it with.
Nah, I think this is it, man. It just made a support pattern, so I was like, dude, I think this is it. They about to take the bulls, about to come back, man. They about to come back.
I still think so. At least not yet. I think we get a flush of the low first, and then they come back. That's what I think. But maybe not. This month today sucks. Yo, this stuff sucks.
Yeah. Want it all, I won't leave a breadcrumb. Bitch, what I thought a dude said something. All we know is Nasdaq. No. What? I thought an ES trader said something. Thought an ES trader said something. Nasdaq. All we trade is Nasdaq. Nascrack. At New York Open, all we trade is Nascrack. What? Thought an ES trader said something.
God, you really want to piss people off. I thought a gold trader said something.
Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq. All we trade is Nasdaq. When New York open, all we trade is Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq.
My name is Brandon. I'm addicted to the NQ.
Boy, is she one hell of a drug. Hell, she is. Yes, she is, man. And this is what I was talking about.
You said the volume was. How's the volume today? It feels like it's lackluster.
The volume is, dude, we're trading with some decent volume today, man. Decent. That's decent volume. Decent.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, like,
Look at this 5-minute chart.
it's just
This
that
5-minute chart since 8:30 open.
go ahead.
Terrible. It's terrible. I'm saying this 5-minute chart since the open is just terrible looking. So many wicks.
I mean, they're trying to come in at 620, but yo, I think they about to get ran, man. All right, so I might have been stopped out of my ES trade. Yeah, this is actually a good long for the ES right here. This is a great long. I'm just not going to take it. All right, fuck it, man. I'm taking it. Say I'm not going to take it. Nah, I'm taking it. We're going to take it. But consistent 11, I think. Which one is it? I think, damn, which one is it? Oh, MFF fucked up. Damn it. All right, so that's 23. So that's 5 points right here. That's 5 points. Did I miss? They already double bottomed it here. We got all this room for upside on the ES. It's just that every point with the ES matters. So if we're going to try to get into this, it has to come back here at VWAP, man. They got to. To get a good risk reward trade, they got to. I think I missed it on the ES. But your boy got it on the Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Your boy is up 2K on some micro contracts. Actually, let me take off some more of this. Let me take off some more of this risk, because I'm gonna take off some of this right here because I had a really bad fill, Take off a lot of that because I highly doubt that we get up all the way up here. Okay, so I'm gonna take off a lot right here. I just want, what I really want is, because I've already made I already made it for today, so I'm just going to play around with these last 5 contracts. That's all I'm gonna do. All right, so we made a high at 50, so I want to take some off there. Actually, I want to take some off at this high. If we get back to that high, I want to take it. So this is how I'm going to play this. I'm gonna play it like that, right there. If we get that, that's how I'm going to play that. And I'm going to move my stop up to break even. Yeah, that's how I'm going to play this. All in all, like I said, man, we made money today. I mean, all we did was took winning trades today. That's all we do, is take winning trades. We took winning trades on the Nasdaq and we took winning trades on the ES, so we're good.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got on that short, right?
No, I'm not in a short.
Oh, you got
I'm
you
just
took.
I'm just watching.
Yeah, so it is.
I'll watch and learn.
Nasdaq. All we trade is when New York opens. All we trade is Nasdaq. Hmm. I thought a gold trader said something. That was funny. Thought a gold trader said something. That's so funny. I mean, gold is looking at gold, it's I mean they kind of respecting these levels. I mean, of course we're gonna have this sell off on gold because commodities don't play that shit. I mean, if you see a big move on commodities, you know the next day you can just confidently short it because the commodities don't play that shit. You can confidently short that. But huh. So I mean, gold traders. I mean, it does look like it's finding support here at this level. A good risk reward trade is obviously a stop underneath this low and a target at least right here at 389. It does look like it wants to at least try to pop at least to the 50 EMA. Uh, hmm. I mean, if the market comes back up, huh? You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I kind of want to stay in this for as long as possible. I mean, do you think that the market will get to where you said the market you think was going to get to 720? I mean, I don't think 720 will be that number.
I don't know, I said 725, but close enough.
So we may, like I said, we might see that rejection at 660, man. We may see it. We may see it at 660. It's that almighty 23% is up there. Or actually, that was from last week's. Let's actually look at today's fibs. Hmm. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. The golden fibs today is around 680. So that could be a target. I'm gonna definitely have that as a target. And if you said 725, shit, let's see if it happens. I'll just have a lone mega runner contract going all the way up there. That'll be absolutely crazy if we get it though. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. So I guess I'll keep it on today's fib levels then, because they playing these levels perfectly on today's fibs. Graveyard is where my ops stay. Oh, blown accounts is where my ops stay. Or how should it go? My oh no. There it goes. Blown counts is where my no, that's too much. No, blown counts is where the liquidity stay. Blown counts is where the no, see that's just too much. Blown accounts is where
Many syllables.
Says my liquidity is where the blown accounts stay. Does that make sense? My liquidity is where the blown accounts stay. They told me to inverse a Sherm. I said, no way, no way. Nice, nice. They said inverse a Sherm. I said, no way. Someone on Bookmaps chat said that he's made a lot and he's lost a lot. It only comes with experience and hard lessons. The market gives you a lesson after the test. Mm. The Nasdaq does do that to you, man. Like I said, she will hurt your feelings and have you crying. And then once you get done crying and wipe away your tears, you go right back to her and say, baby, we can make this work. And we can make it work. I know we can.
Let's regroup. We can make it.
Blown accounts is where my liquidity stay. Blown accounts is where the liquidity stay. Where the liquidity stay. They told me to inverse and Sherm. I said, no way, no way. Actually, let's look at the higher time frame. I mean, market's not doing nothing. I mean, on the higher time frame, we technically we made a higher low. So this can definitely possibly try to take out that high as, excuse me, 650. It can possibly take out that high on 650. But on the ES, that is so interesting. I mean, I know the ES likes to lag. That's so interesting. So the market is still shorting on the ES. Huh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more off. I'm just going to leave 3. I'm going to leave 3.
I haven't even checked.
Haven't checked what?
Yes.
They are buying it here off of VWAP. Huh. Huh. They are buying it off of VWAP. You know what? It's a good risk reward trade. I'm gonna still take it. I'm gonna still take it. So what I should have did was get in that VWAP. You know what? No, I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not taking nothing on the ES. I'm not gonna take it. This trade may work, but we want to be mindful about what time it is, especially with the ES. The market still moves, obviously, but with the ES, you kind of want to take your trades before 10 o'clock for real, because you'll be in a trade all damn day with the ES. You can get away with it on the Nasdaq, but did I switch accounts or something? Oh no, what's going on right now? So that's interesting. Did I close this position or something? Did I close the position? I didn't do that. I'm gonna have to look at the replay, but apparently I'm out of this position. I don't think I closed this. I don't think I closed it. That's interesting. I closed this. Let me look at this real quick. Well, okay, well, fine. Since I'm not in this position anymore, then I know I didn't just get stopped out because I just took one. All right, so I'm still in this trade. Yeah, not gonna lie about that. That's kind of. So I took one. I took it down to 3, and then I switched over to the ES. How did I get out of this trade? I switched it to the ES. And then I canceled it. Hmm. And mysteriously, I'm out of this trade. Wow. So I don't know what happened. I see what you did there, Alfred. Hey, you inverse the Sherm, you find out. You inverse the Sherm, you find out. Blown accounts is where my liquidity stay. It's where the Sherm's liquidity stay. All right. So I don't know what the hell happened. I really don't know what happened. I was in this trade and this entire position closed out. I don't know how that happened. I don't know how I did that. So that's something. Yeah, that's interesting. That's weird. Yeah, because I'm looking at the replay right now and I didn't close it out. I didn't press anything. I didn't press any buttons. Oh.
Why is AMC up 12%?
Is
What
is
the heck is
GME
going on over there?
is GME up?
I don't know. I didn't check GME. I got a notification that said AMC up 12%.
God damn it, dude. Man, it's man,
GME's up 3.
uh, 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 uh. Yeah, GameStop ain't doing nothing right now. I'm surprised. I'm surprised AMC is up and GameStop's not. Oh, he's 12%. What's 12%? It's only it's up $1. Oh, it's up 62 cents. Yeah, yeah. I guess that's good for AMC. Oh, how did I do that? Okay. All right. So, yeah. Like I said, I don't know why the hell I got my position closed out. I do think that we can possibly take out these highs the way that it's looking, the way that the bulls bought this right back up. And you know what? Yeah, that's great risk reward right here. Shit, I might just add to this, really. This is good risk reward. It's now I'm pissed that they took me out of that trade. I'm pissed. All right, so it's 27. Might get a move up back up to 28, 27. Take out that first TP at 8 points. Okay, so about 27. I think I'll probably do that. I mean, we might get that. Mm. Mm.
Here we go again.
Man, that pisses me off, man. That pisses me off. God damn, that pisses me off, man. God damn. Mm. Damn. Yeah. Fuck. Mm. But I was looking at that 66 level for them to kind of reject from, and they're kind of doing that 665 level. Um, damn. That's not fair, man. All right, man. Let me. All right, I just make this as risk free as possible. I'll put this right here. Yeah, make this a. No, I can't make that a break even trade. It has to be something. Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna let me do it, which is weird because the ES is liquid. It's not like it's not. Actually, I wonder what the hell. I'm actually gonna look at the AMC Reddit, man. I'm gonna see what they're talking about over there. Let's see, because I'm very interested to see what they're talking about.
More foolishness. Pipe dreams.
Hell yeah. Uh, AMC Apes. I forgot what their Reddit is. I forgot. AMC stock. So they're talking. Oh no, they're talking. No, that was like a month ago. Today, AMC. So looking to buy ponies with AMC. This is blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. Someone asked, is a short squeeze possible with AMC? And if so, do we know how much AC has been shorted? New ape. Dude, AMC stock is already done, bro. You talk about you a new ape. It's crazy that honestly, like no disrespect to people that want to put their money in AMC, but like I said, man, the way that this game is played, they're not gonna let AMC pump up like that ever again. They're just not gonna let it happen. And especially because they want people to go back to work. They don't want you to get rich off of AMC. Like, just imagine the Fed doing all this work to make people go back to work, and then they get rich off of AMC. Yeah, right. They ain't gonna let that happen. I mean, at one side, you can't say that the market is manipulated and then say that it's not. We obviously know that the market is being manipulated. We know that. We know that if the AMC stock does rise up, the owner has a legal duty to dilute those stocks, to dilute those shares, to sell it to more people. He has a duty to do that, and he will do it, and he has been doing it. So it's not going to happen, at least no time soon. Hmm. Man, that pisses me off. Yeah. All right. Are you done trading for today? Or are you still looking at it?
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it here too. Um, I gotta go to my meeting in about like 15 minutes, but I need to step away from the charts and not, cause like I said, I'm upset that I was closed out of a winning position, and I don't understand how I was closed out of this position. I looked at the replay, I didn't touch anything. I switched back to the charts, and then all of a sudden, my position was closed. So that doesn't sit well with me at all. That does not sit well with me.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. MFF. I mean, is that what it is? It's like, who the hell is this guy? He's just winning. Like who is this guy? Yeah, I'm looking at this replay and I did not close out. I didn't hit any button by mistake. I just switched charts and I went back to the NQ and all of a sudden, yeah, I didn't hit anything. What's up with that? Bastards. And then it hits my targets too. Oh, damn. Ugh. Ugh. All right, man. Let me look at this ES chart because I mean, like I said, I mean, uh, no, I'm gonna call it today. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. I'm calling it. I'm gonna call it. It was our revenge trade. I've already feel the revenge trade emotions already building up right now. All right. All right. Oh man. Oh man. Ugh. Okay. Man, that sucks. Today's the 8th, right? All right. The shrimp thoughts. Simple dump. So today was a good day. I'm walking away with up 3K today. Good day. Oh God. God damn. Made no mistakes today. Made no mistakes today. Follow my plan. And once I recognized that the price action was going to flip, I closed out my short position and went long. I did the same thing, so I'm just going to put that right there. Honestly, I mean, today was perfect, man. I mean, I took my loss. I had 3 wins and 2 losses, or 3 wins and 1 loss. 3 wins and 1 loss. I took my loss and got it back. It was a good day. So I am upset that I was closed out of a winning position. I did take a revenge trade because of it, but I protected the position. And it may work out, but I recognized that this trade was only taken because let's close it out. Okay. But like I said with the ES, so we did get this move down. We are okay. We are in this consolidation area. The Bears do look like they want to protect this high right here. If we do get a breakdown of this low, then I expect the market to come back and trade into this area right here, this range. And we okay. All right, so yeah, I do expect for the Bears if they do break out of this range, we do get a leg down, possibly to 615. If we do get a move down to 615 right here, this would be a great area for the Bulls to come right back into this for at least a retest of this range right here. So I would look out for that. If you're going to continue the trade, this will be a good area for a risk reward trade. You can see to the left, we do got this. Oh, crap. We do got this area of support. It is building up. We do got a brick of structure right here. So there's highly likely that the Bears or the Bulls will try to come back in here at this area. So I would just be mindful of that. It does look like the Nasdaq is rejecting off of that 655 level that I called, but it went up to 670. So it does look like the Bears are going to take this down I do want to state that I would not get long in this area right here. I know a lot of people are saying to long at 580, but I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that the bulls will find support here. Now, as your account, you can take it if you want. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I wouldn't take a position here. I wouldn't. There's too much stops underneath this low now. There's too much liquidity underneath this low for the market to not want to tap into that. So just be mindful of that. But that's all I have. Smith, you got anything? Okay, so I'm
No,
guessing.
I'm good.
Okay.
Nothing. Do it again. Hopefully, it's better price action in the
Um,
beginning of the session.
yeah. I mean, you still had a good day, man. You made money today, man. You sound disappointed.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm used to it being a little more clean than that. Those are stressful shorts that I had
Yeah.
to sit through. You know
Yeah.
how that goes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. It
I had
does.
no confidence in them and everything. So, yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm disappointed in.
I kind of like the performance, the
Confident in the
execution.
trades. Yeah, the execution. I had no faith in those, and I
Mm,
sat through drawdown. It's just, I don't know.
yeah.
Hopefully, tomorrow will be better.
I mean, dare I say it? I think this is just, dude, dare I say it? I mean, this is easy to say it on the ES. Looks like we did get a break. Good thing I protected my position. Good thing.
I think this is short.
I mean, I don't know, man. Because it did look like on the ES, it did look like it was about to flip long. It did look like, wait, 23. It did look that way. But then I saw that once I saw this double top, that's why I moved my stop up to break even. Because I was like, on the Nasdaq, you can kind of get away with this. On the ES, you don't get away with double tops on the ES too much. I mean, you had this double top,
Yeah.
and then you had this high on the ES, and so that's why I moved my stop up because I was like, when I saw that, I was like, I'm not playing that stupid game. I'm not playing it. A better entry would be here at 615 or somewhere around this area. I mean, they may try to come in at this 18, 19 level, probably somewhere in this consolidation area, possibly. But I saw the short on the ES, and I just didn't want to play that stupid game with it. So that's
It's
why.
a short on the Nasdaq, and I'm in it, baby.
Where you in? Uh,
I was in it. Oh, actually, this is the buffer zone. I'm playing games. Let me cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
no, just
And lock
trail it,
that
bro.
in.
Just trail it.
No,
Just trail it.
no, they cheated me. I hit cancel all. They cheated me.
Hold on, you had cancel off.
Exit and cancel all. I wanted to lock it in above the buffer. They cheated me. Of course it would bounce there. You bastards.
Oh, okay. I forgot. I forgot it. You wanted to get above that buffer zone today. That's why. Okay, that's why you're disappointed. You wanted to get above the buffer, so you don't have to worry about it tomorrow.
Right.
Mm.
And I just got above the buffer and I hit cancel and it didn't. I'm still in. That's dirty.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's dirty.
Yeah. They do that stupid shit, man. Like last week with my top step X trade. Yeah, I can't like, dude, I straight up canceled that thing. And when I look back at the replay, I was still in the position, and that's why I blew the account. I was still in it. So I guess you was right. He was like, "Are you sure you in it?" And I was like, "No, I hit click, close, cancel all my positions." Yeah, that shit didn't cancel all right.
Yeah,
It did not.
that's crazy.
Yeah, it took away my stop and my target, but they left the position open. So when I looked at that, I was like, dude, whatever, man. Whatever. Bastards. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Number two.
Wow.
I mean, like I said, I bought the account specifically to gamble, but it's just the fact that, man, it wasn't fair how they cheated me though like that, man. I mean, at least if I lost, I lost. But if I close the position out, first you give me the nastiest fill in the world, literally fill me in at the bottom of the move when I was all the way literally underneath that range. I mean, first you do me dirty like that. And then when I close the position out, you left it open and then I blow the account. Like, what the fuck? That was dirty, man. Oh, that was dirty.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, so, dude, if you're still in the short, I know that right now with that trailing drawdown, I'm gonna try to give you my bearish thesis. So, I mean, we got this low. Says give you anything but the bullish thesis. I ain't trying to hear all that.
Nah, so good. I know they bounced it right at the previous pre-market high or
Okay.
earlier when they
I
really
mean,
bounced it
you
right
still got
there.
a chance, man. You still got a chance. I mean, price just made a lower low. We got a double top,
Nah.
a lower low. It's coming up to this neckline. Hopefully the Bears come in right here. Hopefully they do. But I mean, we know it's highly
we
unlikely.
got
It's
we
highly
got going off.
unlikely.
You cannot go off on hope. That is a dangerous game you're playing, sir. Try to go off of hope. Nah, that's
We'll see.
crazy.
We'll see, man. I mean, as long as the price doesn't take out this high, you're good, man. As long as they don't take the high out, you're good. Hopefully, it
Yeah,
stops here at this shoulder. But
we're going to 725, baby. We're going to 725. Oh yeah, this is forming looking like a head and shoulders. If it comes up to the high and rejects,
uh,
yeah, near
mm,
high.
but we only got two layers of stops up here, so I mean, even if they take out this high, you might get like a small crack and then a drop, but it's not a lot of stop for it to be doing this. It's not a lot to do this. They're gonna have to build some more liquidity,
Yeah,
and if they can
you
keep it
think,
like
right?
that, yeah, they can keep it like that. Shit, that's crazy that they cheated you like that, though. That's crazy.
Yeah, I was above the buffer zone, and then it started pumping back. Missed my last target
Mhm.
by a few points. You know, same old foolishness they try to get away with it. Just to get off on my feet.
Mm. Huh. That
And I
does.
can do
Okay,
that.
so, huh. Huh. Let me look at the hourly chart to make sure. Oh my God, look at that green dildo candle up. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yo.
Oh my God. Oh my God. But look at the ES though. Yo, the ES and the Nasdaq, they're just not the same, man. Are we when New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq, 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 Nasdaq.
You're not saying.
They are not the same, yo. They are not. Damn, look at that.
Get up.
Hmm. All right. It does look like, okay, so it does look like you might be good on this, but you're gonna have to probably take profits at
Man, I ain't
probably at
getting
that
short
50.
anymore.
Are you not?
No.
You cut it?
Yeah, well,
Man.
it hit
I'll
my
hit your trailing.
trail.
I'll hit your trailing stop. Okay.
Yeah, it hit the road, Jack.
Yeah, this is a triple top right here on the ES. I mean on the Nasdaq. But what's got me concerned? Well, not concerned, but it's like, dude, it's huh. The ES has been selling off all day, but it does look like it's trying to pump. It does look like it's trying to pump. The Nasdaq, dude, if I take this short, I'm not okay. I'm gonna take it in the sim. I just want to see what happens. I'm gonna take this in the sim. I want to see what happens, man.
Yeah.
I want to see what happens, man. Because this looks like a short, but I don't want to put. I mean, we made money today. We don't have to sacrifice the gains being greedy. We don't have to sacrifice the gains being greedy, man. Because if I wanted to short, I should have shorted up here. Shorting down here, I left about what 10 points on the table. About what 15 points on the table. So I just want to see. Oh crap. Oh. Blown accounts is where my liquidity stayed.
Shorts.
Bro,
Sometimes you gotta pop out and short.
That's what the Bears are saying right now, man. Sometimes you gotta pop out short something. Certified bear. I'm the one to certified
You gotta
bear. I'm
pop
the
out
one
and
that
short. I'm the one that up the skull on them.
say
Short
bulls.
and tops. I hear you like a lot of tops.
Hey bulls. I hear you like them. I hear you like when price is low. Oh, there goes that position. There goes that position right there. Yeah, Bears get no love in this. All they get is stress. That's all Bears get. Yeah, good thing I took this in my. Well, I was gonna take this in the sim anyway, but taking a short all the way down here, yeah, that's asking to become liquidity, especially when you see the 21 EMA. I mean, I'm just gonna come in tomorrow, and I'm just not going to allow because if price does continue up higher and my crazy ass runner targets get hit, I'm just gonna accept that. I'm just gonna accept it because that definitely was not fair. That I got cut out those positions, man. That was not fair. That was not fair. But all right, guys. Now I guess I'm gonna end it for mine. I gotta hop into this meeting real quick. We'll do this again tomorrow. I mean, we had a green day. I'm not gonna jump back in and definitely do this tomorrow. And with that said, peace out, guys.
All right, y'all. Later.